Hi everyone, and welcome back to Alita Cooks. The other day I made some air fried shrimp, lemon pepper shrimp that is, and cauliflower in the air fryer as well. So I took my shrimp, cleaned and deveined, coated it in grapeseed oil, lemon juice, black pepper, and a little bit of kosher salt. Once you pour all your ingredients together, make sure and coat them very well. And then you set aside while you prepare your cauliflower, which over here it has kosher salt, a little bit, some grapeseed oil, and some Latin explosion seasoning. That is all it needed. Placed in the air fryer at 400 for about 15 minutes. Came out absolutely amazing and delicious. Set your plate. And now on to the shrimp. Place it in the air fryer. I used the shrimp setting on my kosori. Then for those cauliflower florets, I added some wing sauce. And that made it extra delicious and spicy. Really, really good. And the shrimp came out absolutely amazing. As you can see here. I wish you could taste it through here too. I had a lot of shrimp, so I cooked it in batches. And there you go. Simple, delicious meal for any weeknight. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to all my new subscribers.